Take a look at this 2011 GMC Sierra 1500. Carfax has certified the Sierra 1500 as having one owner. The Sierra 1500 has just under 19,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, cruise control, passenger airbag and heated mirrors. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.